Well, thanks for clicking on to the Wednesday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. Standing in my back garden here in Milton of Campsie, Eastern Bartonshire, just to the north of Glasgow, on what is a very, very chilly morning across not just Scotland, not just the UK, but pretty much the entire continent of Europe is very, very firmly below freezing. And that is not something that we see all the time. Yeah, it's winter. It's the end of February. You expect to see that kind of thing, I know. But every so often, after a sudden stratospheric warming event, you reverse the atmosphere, and of course, all our weather is coming in from Siberia. Hence why we're talking about double digits below freezing in terms of wind chill, not just locally but widely across the UK. When you look at the temperature profile, we're talking about -3 to -6 currently air temperature. But factoring in a 15 to 25 mile an hour wind, which is pretty unusual to see that kind of temperature versus that wind, and that is really the hallmarks of a cold continental air mass, something we don't always see. But there's a lot of blowing and drifting. The snow is powdery, harder to make snowmen, but it's easier to shovel. But of course, when you've got wind, there's pretty much almost no point in shoveling because the snow just blows back in across the path you've just cleared. So we're going to continue to see that very strong easterly wind, biting wind chill, temperatures not getting above freezing pretty much across the board today. And through the course of today, we're going to continue to see those snow showers piling in from the east. Further accumulation is expected through the next, not just today, but also tomorrow. And then, of course, we've got Storm Emma that's to the west of Portugal, bringing a lot of bad weather across southwestern Europe. That is going to be lifted northwards, and what we're going to see is heavy snowfall and blizzard conditions across not just some parts of the southern British Isles, but widely across England and Wales, the southern portion of Ireland as well. This is going to be a very nasty next few days here. Going to continue to see severe wind chill in double digits below freezing, and just watch yourselves out there. Don't travel unless you have to. If you're needing a loaf of bread out of Asda, that can wait. But of course, there's people that need to get out to work. So just take your time and take it easy while you're out there. So standing from a rather chilly back garden here in Milton Campsie, hope you have a great day and a safe day. Stay warm. Bye for now.